Welcome to the Digital Twins project. In this video, we will showcase how you can connect and test the Robot Machines Technician module. After connecting to the AnyDesk platform using your code, select the DiTwin project icon. The DiTwin experts will set up the screen to include the digital twin model, the real robot via live stream camera, and the user interface for inputting the code. The user can now insert their code to start controlling the real robot and its digital twin. The code must be prepared in advance since the time for connecting to the laboratory is limited. You will be able to move the camera around and control the robot and its digital twin in real time. You can follow one of our proposed lesson plans or your own. You can conduct free movements of the manipulator, pick and place objects in specific positions, build a tower, etc. As it would happen in a real workplace setting, the stop button can be pressed at any time by both the user and the DiTwin laboratory expert. To find out more on how to book a session with our partners' laboratories, make sure to watch our first video. Thank you for watching.